and welcome to my channel. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, you're very welcome. Okay, so today we are going to make a necklace for Audra's birthday. So I've got myself a little A, which I got from the charity shop, and I've got some little beads which I got, which was in a small necklace, small bracelet, child's bracelet. So I've just gone through and I've picked the ones out which I like, and what I've taken is a long piece of organza ribbon which matches the pink organza ribbon we're using for her hair, and all I've done is cut a long point there. Hopefully you can see that point. Can you see that? So that it's nice and short to go through, nice and pointed at the end there, so that it'll go through, and you can just grab hold of it and pull it through. So I'm going to put 3 beads on first, and then I'm going to put the A on. So I've got the 3 beads just like that, really simple. 1, 2, 3, put the A on. Now you have to work this out so that you've got it right, so that the A is facing the right way round, especially if you've got beads which are only one-sided. So you'll need to make sure that it's going in the right direction you want, because as you can see on the back of mine, it doesn't look as nice as the front. But also, say if you've got an E or something like that, obviously it's got to face in the same direction that it would do if you were using it to write with. Okay, so I'll just put the last beads on. There we go. Okay, and there you have it. There you go. Okay, so there you have your little necklace, and it does look quite pretty. Alright, and then we'll just take it with Audra a second. Audra hasn't got any clothes on. She's having a spa day today, so she's just getting herself all ready for her birthday. We're going to pop it around her neck, so you can have it so that it's quite, and hangs quite loosely if you want to, like that, and just tie it in a bow at the back, or you can tie it so that she's got it more of a choker. I don't know if you can see that choke as a choker there. Can you see that? More like a choker, but I want to have it nice and loose, so I'm going to just take it like that there, and I'm going to take it here, and I'm going to cut a point on this end. 1, 2, and then I'm going to just take my match. Now don't use this if you are a child. Get an adult to do this for you. Matches are really dangerous. You can burn yourself quite easily, but also you can burn things down quite easily. And you just want to catch the very end, okay? Just to hold it, make sure nothing catches our lights, and that'll just stop those threads on the end of the ribbon from fraying there. Okay, so there's my little necklace, and I will just do a little simple tie it in a ribbon at the back when I put it on her, so it just goes into a bow on the back of her neck. I'll show you here, because obviously if I've got it on the doll you won't be able to see it under her hair. So I'll just tie it into a little bow so we can get it on and off easily, she says, and I must be putting the wrong thing. Let's try again. So what I'm going to do is just tie it into a tiny bow, one there like that, and then grab your 2 ends like that, and this, you'll obviously do it on the back of your doll's neck, okay? And then you want to pull those 2 out, but at the same time pull those 2 pieces of ribbon on the here, and that will hold it nice and tightly, okay? And that will be able to sit around their neck beautifully. So I hope you can see that. Let me just move my light over. Hope you can see that. It looks really pretty. I think she'll like that. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.